Right, still here at the 15th Annual ACG New York Healthcare Conference, and I'm so delighted that I ran into Mandy here today. Hello Mandy, how are you?
I'm doing well, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Good. I hope you're enjoying the event.
I am. It's been really great from beginning to now. Lots of great programming, and then the networking has been fabulous.
Yeah.
Close enough where you can really get to know a lot of people.
Fabulous. Well, thank you for that testimonial. But we should
yeah.
find out a little bit more about yourself, Mandy, and your firm and in your remit within, please.
Yeah, so I am the Chief Marketing Officer for Gyphon Strategies, and we are a 30-year-old firm based out of New York, and we are business intelligence and investigations. And we work a lot with a lot of companies here, actually private equity firms, on their due diligence efforts. Mainly around reputational due diligence.
Oh,
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, your eyes light up.
They did. Well, maybe dive into that a little bit more. So, how rigorous is the diligence and the KYC between what you're doing, or at least the counterparties?
Yeah. So we can go, a lighter touch, and then we can do a much deeper dive. And typically when we're working with private equity firms, we're doing that deep dive.
Yeah.
Because these are serious transactions, and these are big deals, and they want to make sure they get it right. And so we will do public record searching and compilation of that and putting something together, but then going a step further to do human intelligence interviews.
Wow.
So actually getting a 360 of a person you're about to.
At what stage of the transaction are you brought in?
Typically right after LOI.
Oh, really? Okay.
So the deal is on its way, and the client really wants to know all they need to know to make sure they're making a good decision.
Yeah. You ever had an instance, and stop me if I'm asking too much.
I'll probably say yes no matter what you ask.
Well, no, but have you ever had an instance where you found out a little bit about someone and it's thwarted or discontinued the deal?
Yeah, It does happen. It's rare. We don't like to say we're we're not here to ruin the deal. We're here to give you all the information to make the best decision.
Yeah.
So it does happen. Yeah, and it's information that you want to find out now and not find out later. And then end up costing you, not just money, but your own reputation.
Now, your PE clients, I'm fascinated by this, by the way. Are they across the cap stack?
Across,
or they?
Yeah,
but
they're
are they
across.
okay?
Yeah, so we do a lot in the middle market, which is why we're here.
Yeah.
But it's very much across everyone, and I hope I'm making this super clear. Everyone should be doing due diligence. No matter if you're just starting out, no matter if you're small, no matter if you're large, no matter how big your fund is, it's definitely a must on that list of things to do.
Mandy, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice having a chat with you. I want to have a bit more of a chat with you if I could.
Definitely.
But we shall see you the next time round.
I will see you at the Women's Summit.
Brilliant.
With bells on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.